Hello, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I have some really exciting news today. I'm here with Bridget Jackson Buckley, who is an associate of mine, and she is organizing a very, very interesting event that has 4 female channelers in it. I'm one of the channelers. So we decided to get together today so that she could tell you a little bit about it. So welcome, Bridget, and thanks for organizing this. I'm really looking forward to participating in it. Tell us how this all came about.
Well, thank you for having me, Tina. I'm so excited to be with you here talking about it. So I have to say, it kind of sort of came about when I attended your 10th year anniversary channeling event. I
Okay.
was not going to attend that event because I was like, I'm fine with Tina's channeling. I don't need to hear anymore. And at the last minute, I think like the day before, I registered for the event and it was phenomenal. That was the first event that I saw someone that actually channels like I do. I think it was Laurent who received his channel message and he read it. So I was like,
Mm-hmm.
oh my gosh, I'm not the only one. And I came away from that event just feeling wonderful. It was such a great event. So then, a few months later, I started noticing that I was not thinking about, but feeling the words channeling the Sacred Heart. And it was just floating through my awareness like, gosh, it would be so nice to have an event that was like a day of women channelers, just the divine energy, feminine energy just coming through women. And it just would not leave my awareness. It wasn't like I sat down and thought about it. I just kept feeling it. And so I was like, well, what is the Sacred Heart? Like I actually had to do a search because I didn't know what the Sacred Heart was.
I
And
don't really know either. And all I know is that you see statues of Jesus with the heart, right? And that's the Sacred Heart.
that's exactly what
So
I
this is an
saw.
education for me as well.
That's exactly what I saw. And so I was like, okay, well, it doesn't feel intuitively that it has like a religious or possibly Catholic reference because that's what I saw. And so I
Mm-hmm.
just kept, doing a little bit more digging and I read a few channeled works from other women channelers. And then I also went into meditation for it for myself. And what came through for my meditation, I have a few notes here, is that the Sacred Heart holds the high heart, and it's the bridge between you and source, creation, all that is. And that it's the heart opening chamber where truth resides in us. And so that we're being called at this time, to open our heart to let these higher frequencies and these higher lights come in to help us connect with these higher dimensional frequencies. So
Oh,
that's
okay.
what's came through, that it holds like the truth, it's the truth of us. It holds like the truth of who we really are and who we are becoming in this incarnation.
You think it has something to do, when I think of forgiveness and the heart, obviously forgiveness is our pathway to becoming more loving beings. So it sounds to me that that's part of the opening of the Sacred Heart, right? Is actually the forgiveness work that raises our frequency so that we can receive these messages.
Yes, because when you are in forgiveness, when you're actively practicing forgiveness, you are not in judgment.
That's right.
Yeah, and when you're in that place, then you're open to receive and to give so much. And I think it also what I also feel from my when I sit in meditation about it is that it has something also to do with a balancing within us. Because, of course, being a woman, I have feminine energy, but I also have masculine energy, and that
Mhm.
the Sacred Heart holds something around us balancing this masculine and feminine energy
Mhm.
within us. So, yeah, it seems that we are all being called to move in a way and to implement practices to help us to balance the feminine and masculine energies in us
Mhm.
so we can hold more of our true essence in us in this incarnation.
Right. So you've gathered 4 female channelers together.
Yes, I felt guided to ask people to participate who are in alignment with A Course in Miracles,
Mhm.
who are actively working on practicing the laws of creation and forgiveness. So the channels that we have are Carol Morgan, who channels Zena Allen, who is a blue avian collective consciousness that resonates with the law of one. Carol is also a certified sound practitioner, and so she's going to do a crystal alchemy sound bath for us
Oh,
during the day
wonderful.
long event. So she'll be channeling Zena Allen. And then we also have Kelsey Farnbrook, and Kelsey channels Saint Germain, Archangel Azrael, and Yeshua. And Kelsey also works with aspected consciousness, but she will be bringing through messages about the Sacred Heart and what her guides and the archangels want us to know about that. And then we have Carmen Laura and Gina Ninsteel. Now, Carmen and Gina are their life partners in life and in work. They do work in the Akashic records, and the way
Okay.
they work is that Gina receives the information through the Akashic records, and Carmen amplifies what Gina receives.
Well,
So it's
that's
almost
cool.
like
So they're working together.
they work together. So Carmen holds an energetic space for what Gina receives. And during Gina's transmission of what she receives in the records, Carmen is sending out like an energy transmission to the recipients.
Okay.
So they're going to do that. And in addition to that, Carmen is also going to do an individual healing energy transmission to us. She's a very powerful energy healer. I've been on the receiving end several times of her healing energy transmissions. And then, of course, we have you, who
Right.
channels Jesus and
Yeah.
Ananda. So we have, I mean, to put it plainly, we have some heavy hitters
Yeah.
that will join us on that day.
So what day is the event?
So the event is Saturday. It's November 18th, and it's a day-long event. It's from 10 to 4. We will
Okay.
have 3 breaks. So the day will begin with Gina and Carmen. The event will open with the energy healing transmission from Carmen to help us open our heart center.
Mm-hmm.
And then after that, we'll have a break. Then we'll have Kelsey, another break, and then the sound healing, and then Carol's channeling, and then a break, and then finally your channeling and a Q&A at the end, where attendees will be able to ask a question of the channelers
Okay.
related to what came through
Okay.
regarding the Sacred Heart consciousness.
Awesome. Well, it sounds very exciting. I'm looking forward to it. I'm really happy that you've been guided to do this. I think it's fantastic when people get this nagging voice that says you have to do something and you're like, what? Well, what are you talking about?
And that's
And
exactly,
before you know it,
yeah.
it's manifested and it's happening.
I know, because I had been feeling it, and actually when it came through, it was during Mercury retrograde, but I didn't want to take action during that time. And so then I was having a conversation with another friend, and she said something about channeling. I was like, oh my gosh, a day of women channelers, I can do this. And within a week, I had the web page built and invitation sent.
Bam. Okay, everyone. Well, this hopefully is a nice little appetizer for all of you. The links to join this wonderful event will be in the description box below, and there will be a discount coupon code in there for you to have a small discount off the registration. So make sure that you use those links to find it. And yeah, I'll see you at the event with Bridget and these other lovely, wonderful female channelers. So please share this video. Please share this with all of your social media people so that we can have a lovely attendance group and support Bridget in her channeling adventures. So goodbye, everyone, and thanks for sharing this video. Bye, Bridget.
Thank you, Tina.